So the second thing I wanted to talk about today is certificates. And we have a variety of certificates within the Teacher Hub. So you did see when we did the progress note for Frankenstein, there was an option to issue a certificate for unit completion or level completion. And it's just a toggle. You would just click the button and it will allow you to issue a unit certificate. It appears on the report. Now, one of the things that I often do with that certificate is I actually go to the certificate link myself and I will download that. So obviously you can access it and the parents can access it from their parent report, but you also have access to the certificates from their student profile. I don't know why I'm not thinking today. So from their student profile. So both of those are options, but I will show you what those certificates look like. But before we do that, really, certificates really just help to show learning clearly. This is my proof. I've done something. I've achieved this. It's great. And the thing about them is they do have your information on them, and parents are often inclined to share those types of things on social media. So by including your information on the bottom, which the system does for you automatically, it will help you find new students. It helps to build trust because they see this structured progress. Oh, they finished another unit. Oh, they finished a level. And this really is nice free word of mouth promo for your business. So you can use certificates at the end of units. You can use them for lesson milestones like 10, 20, 30 lessons. You can use them at the end of a level. You can use them for, perfect speaking today, or really just any time you want to sort of recognize your student for some reason. And within the system, take a look at a certificate. So this is what a unit certificate looks like. So this is Frankenstein's unit certificate for completing My Extended Family. This will be replaced with your actual website and your actual WeChat information. It will have your name here. I'm just in my test account, and it will include the date and then of course the student's one. So this is what your unit and your level one looks like. There is the option to download the image, and that's what I use when I'm sending it to parents. And you can also print or save it. Parents also see those buttons from their parent report. This is one of our special certificates, so it's a little bit more fun with the stars, a little bit more colorful. This is 100 new words learned. Oh, I didn't share that. There's 100 new words learned. Same idea, still our download and our print save button. We also have sort of a welcome to our learning community. And so this is sort of a nice one, or for new students, or we have one for if you're teaching group classes, you could do something with perfect attendance for the month if you want to do something like that. But they're sort of just fun rewards as well as ones that are super good in terms of recognition. So let me show you. The unit and the level certificates are pretty easy because they're available from the progress notes. But let's come over and take a look at how we issue the special certificates. So I'm going to make it big for everyone again. So to issue a special certificate, let's say we want to issue one for Anaconda. We're just going to come in here to the certificate medal thing. So over under your actions column, there's one that looks like a medal. It is the third icon. We're going to click on that, and that is going to open. So I'm going to switch over and I'm going to share this. So this one is, this is what the button looks like when you click it. So this again is just a test student. This is not one of my real students. I have some certificate types in here. So thank you for referring a friend, welcome, perfect attendance, homework hero, level up, all sorts of things, brave speaker award. You've got ideas for things, and you guys can't see the drop down. Sharing it this way. So you will now see the award a certificate box. When we select a certificate type, you'll see, you still don't see it. All right, I don't know why. Um, so there is a drop-down menu. There's different types. So you choose your certificate type. I'm going to choose my Brave Speaker Award, and then you can leave the display name blank unless, for instance, your account is for the student is called one thing, but in class you call them something different. You can, if you want to override the default message, you can change that here. It does show you what the default message is. So for this Brave Speaker Award, it tells you exactly what it is, but you can change that if you want. And then I'm going to choose the confetti pop, and I'm just going to issue the certificate. And that is all there is to it. So I'm just going to come over to take a look at the parent report for this student. And here's the Brave Speaker Award. And it looks like this. So there's certainly different options, but the certificates are a really great way to recognize students sort of when they're unexpected, not necessarily expecting it, but also they're a great way to get some free promotion for yourself.